This is Revenge on Yay Frosies. Originally I was going to do the normal version of Thosi, but then I saw the Starborn one. That's a thing from Origin Mods, if you ever have seen that for Minecraft. So I ended up doing that because I just enjoyed the design for that. And mostly ended up doing just little, like this, some little stars, and then like them holding the stars that are like in the reference image in like the photo and stuff, which I hope I've remembered it right. You kind of have in the Origin mod they make stars or something for attacks. It's been a minute. Hopefully that's right.